All right, today we're going to show you how to clean the inside of a dryer. Do you know how it gets dirty? This gets all clogged up, and inside there's a bunch of lint that doesn't get caught by this lint screen. And every once in a while you got to clean the inside of a dryer. A vacuum won't reach down in there, but I'm going to show you a quick hack on how to do it, tool-free. We're going to drop this camera down inside of the dryer, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let me shut this here. You would think there would be some sort of access panel here, but there isn't one because it would compromise the suction of the dryer. So this is simply the outside of the dryer. Inside of the dryer is an enclosed plastic housing that shoots directly back to a fan that pulls the lint out of the dryer when it dries. But don't you think that'd be a good invention? Future clothes dryer inventor people?
He's a genius.
So we're gonna have to go inside. We're gonna have to go inside, through this area. And I'm gonna do it with a vacuum. This is an Oric. So this is a CC 1600. I'll put it on the description below so you can maybe get one for yourself. But it's compact and quiet. Listen. Almost soothing. So we're down there and nothing will reach down all the way to the bottom. So we need something that's round and also flat and also free. Cardboard tube. Gift wrap. Cardboard tube. Hooked up to the vacuum like this. Shoved into the hole. Flattened. And push down as far as you can go. So that's what we're going to do. And that's how you do that stuff. And keep these handy, laying around for some reason. Or just throw them away. Or recycle. Or recycle. Or recycle. And if you want to get this clean too, put this in the dishwasher. No heat dry though. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.